Hey, Robin.
Hi.
That's pretty amazing.
That's pretty awesome.
Look at the trails down there on the ends. You can see where there's trails.
That's where the burros went.
Wow.
If you could have a camera and a mic set up in this location all day long, it would be filled with the oohs and ahs of people seeing the Grand Canyon for the first time, and all of its beauty, glory, and millions of years of history, bringing it to the state that we see it in today.
Oh, those RVs, baby.
When we first showed up at the South Rim Visitors Center parking, there were a lot of cars in the parking lot, but there were still many empty spaces. We showed up around noon, and within an hour to an hour and a half when we left this area, the parking lot was just about as full as a freshly opened can of sardines.
Hey, Robin. There you are. Robin's at the whole Grand Canyon right there. She got the whole Grand Canyon in her hand. Look at that. Look at that. I got Robin and the Grand Canyon in my hand.
When I was a kid, I watched a Disney cartoon of Donald Duck riding a burro down the Grand Canyon, and I said, oh my word, that is so what I want to do when I grow up. So now I'm all grown up. This is my first trip to the Grand Canyon, and even though my health won't allow me to ride any burros, by golly, I'm here, enjoying the scenery and seeing a once-in-a-lifetime view. Hello.
So, George and Robin make it to the Grand Canyon. Yay. On our little excursion. So we're going to go look at it. Let's go look at it.
Enough thinking around. Let's go look at it.
Let's go check it out.
After leaving the visitor center, we got a little bit lost. There are so many twists and turns to take there that we decided to look at the map. When all else fails, read the directions. Figured out where we were supposed to go from there.
So after going the wrong direction several times, we're finally on the right trail to hit the South Rim.
At least we think it is.
We're following the mass of people, and also the trail said that way, South Rim. So we're on the south end of the Grand Canyon National Park trail system. She's dying already. We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. I'm just out of shape. Backs out. And it's cold. And high altitude. But I'm not complaining. I'm here. Look at this. Incredible.
Hey, Robin.
Hi.
That's pretty amazing.
That's pretty awesome.
Look at the trails down there on the ends. You can see where there's trails.
That's where the burros went.
Wow. That's a big notch out. That's I want to fly my drone out there.
I know. Gosh, wouldn't that be cool to get down and buzz those trees?
It would be cool.
See a little notch over there? Almost looks like a little cave.
Mm-hmm.
taking off with your own
Yep.
self-drone.
My arm drone. It's my arm.
Your arm drone, gotcha.
Hold on. Let me get.
I'm using up all of your phone for your pictures.
Shut up. Just trying to get some shots for like putting some music on in the background later. Stand it. That's good. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000.
3 is the magic number, babe.
Say hi to your dad.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom.
Say hi to your mom too, by the way.
My 2 viewers that I have out there in YouTube land.
Down on the bottom, you can see the muddy water.
Muddy water, yeah.
Yep.
Huh. That's pretty
Robin,
impressive.
I think I see the Colorado River.
Yeah, I spy with my little eye.
That's cool.
That is cool.
That's pretty awesome.
Wanna try to go down to where they're at, babe?
No, because
No?
I don't think you'd do too well going down that stuff. That looks like a good way for you to die.
Oh.
Watching these girls go down, I think, was motivation for Robin. So she decided to make the trek out to this little point anyway. And there's some pretty sheer drop-offs out there, but she did it.
1 foot after the other. I'm not sure when I shut it off. Don't back up without looking. Alright, well, we made it this far. Let's head on out. It's like they're cramped. Good job, babe. Good job.
So be very, very careful.
I think I need a bench for a little bit, honey.
Darn hat.
I need to sit.